Today, we're exploring the different types and features of emergency safety showers that protect millions of workers around the world. First, let's look into the two main categories of safety showers: plumbed and portable. Plumbed safety showers are permanent fixtures connected to a continual water supply. Found in places like laboratories and industrial plants, they provide an immediate, high-volume flow of water, crucial for effective decontamination. On the flip side, portable safety showers offer flexibility. Perfect for temporary sites or remote areas, these showers have built-in tanks that need to be regularly filled and maintained. With this in mind, let's explore the various designs and types of safety showers, each tailored to meet specific needs. First up, floor-mounted safety showers. These standalone units are perfect for strategic placement in your facility, offering easy access with simple activation mechanisms like pull levers or push handle. Need to save space? Ceiling-mounted safety showers integrate seamlessly into your ceiling, providing unobstructed and effective decontamination with a clean aesthetic. For high-risk areas, decontamination booths are your best bet. These enclosed units offer privacy and contain contaminants, ensuring a thorough cleanup for the body. Combination Eyewash showers combine critical functionalities for both eye and body decontamination, making them a versatile and cost-effective choice in many settings. In colder climates, freeze-resistant safety showers ensure the water remains liquid and usable, thanks to insulated pipes and heating cables. Drench hoses add flexibility to your safety setup, perfect for targeted decontamination of specific body parts or equipment. Next, we have the gravity-fed portable shower. It uses the simple power of gravity to provide water flow from an elevated tank. Perfect for areas where mechanical showers aren't feasible. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it a popular choice. Lastly, trailer-mounted safety showers include a shower and often an eyewash station, all on a trailer. They're ideal for sites like large construction areas or farms where you might need to quickly move your safety equipment to different locations. So there you have it. Emergency safety showers are vital for workplace safety, providing essential protection against chemical exposures. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insights on industrial safety equipment. Stay safe and see you in the next video.